Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel German Geek, and today we are recording our first video in this year. Wish you a very happy new year. I hope you had an amazing day, and if you didn't, don't worry. I wish that you have amazing days as the year proceeds. Last year I started this channel, and today we have 63 subscribers, which is not huge but still something, because from 0 to 63 is still a small win, and I'm somebody who celebrates small win. So I just want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for your amazing support. Your comments, likes have meant the world to me. I'm so excited for the year ahead, filled with new content, fresh ideas, and even more fun moments to share together. I hope 2025 brings you joy, success, endless inspiration. So let's make this year the best one yet. And thank you for being part of this amazing journey. So far, I couldn't do it without you. So stay awesome, and let's keep growing together. With that, I'm going to start a new lesson today, which is lesson 21, starting with articles. There are a few articles in German. Today we are going to learn about one of them, which is Bestimmte article in nominative. There are different cases. The first case of German language is nominative. So we are going to learn today Bestimmte article in nominative. So without delay, let's get started with our A1 lesson 21, Bestimmte article im Nominativ. There are three articles, there, das and die. Now, there are three definite articles in German. Bestimmte article को हम basically English में definite articles बोलते हैं. So, हम आज definite articles जर्मन में सीखेंगे नॉमिनाटिव केस में. वाई आई एम एम्फसाइजिंग नॉमिनाटिव केस? बिकॉज जर्मन में चार तरीके के केसेस हैं और हर केस में आर्टिकल्स चेंज होते हैं, इसीलिए और बाकी ग्रामर चीज़ें भी. बट स्पीकिंग ऑफ आर्टिकल्स, नॉमिनाटिव केस में डेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स क्या होता है, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न टुडे. So there are three definite articles in German in nominative case: der, das, die. Now, article in nominative, articles in nominative case. Now, what is nominative? Wer und was. So in this video, we will be basically doing definite articles, as I just said. So the learning objectives for today's video is: what is nominative, wer und was, what is substantive, types of articles, and definite articles. Now, nominative case. Well, the most important thing to understand in a sentence is nominative. As we have already discussed in the previous lessons, that the subject conjugates the verb, and we have also discussed the sentence structure. So if you have not watched my previous videos, I would suggest that you go and watch those videos to have your basic clear, so that as we proceed ahead with the lessons, you understand the lessons better. Now, nominative case, Sabine is ladies, Sabine is single. The subject here is Sabine. The subject here is Sabine in the first sentence. In the second sentence, this house is gross. The house is big. The subject in the second sentence is das Haus. Okay, so this is nominative. The subject is nominative. Now, moving on. Subject is always nominative. Okay, remember. Now, what is the formula? Satz is equal to subject plus verb. Sentence is equal to, Satz means sentence. Sentence is equal to nominative plus verb. Now, subject is always nominative and the verb depends on the subject. Hence, this the symbol, because the verb here will depend on the subject. Okay, can either be nomen or pronomen, which can either be singular or plural. So a noun is always accompanied by an article that we will see ahead. So this is the formula that you have to remember, that sentence is equal to nominative, which means subject, plus verb, and the verb depends, the subject can either be nomen or pronomen, either be noun or pronoun, and the verb depends on the subject. Now, subject, as I said, can either be noun or pronoun, nomen or pronomen, singular or plural, it can either be singular or plural. Nomen, substantive, noun, substantive can either be person or thing, which can again be either singular or plural. Article is placed before the noun. Now, in German language, a noun is always accompanied by an article, and this article is placed just before the noun. You have to remember that the article is placed before the noun. Okay? Now, in the case of person, your question is formulated with where. Where is das? Who is this? Das is Peter. This is Peter. Thing. With thing, when we are talking about thing, so you can see the answer for where is Peter. Okay, so for person, the question is formulated with where, W-E-R, and you can see with answer, the answer is Peter. Das ist Peter. And when we are talking about thing, Sache, the question will be was. Was is das? What is this? And the answer is das ist, for example, das ist ein Bus. So a bus is a thing, right? So basically the question where and was help you to identify the nominative. Okay. Now moving on, it is important to remember that in German, as I said just now, all nouns have articles and all articles are placed before nouns. This is the rule that you should learn by heart, that in German all nouns have articles and all articles are placed before nouns. Now, the articles. What kind of articles do we have in German? Definite, bestimmte article, definite article, unbestimmter article, indefinite article, and Negationsartikel, which is negative article. So also remember that all nouns are in capital letter, irrespective of whether it's a common noun or proper noun. All the nouns in German are in capital letters. Okay, so these are few of the points that you should remember when it comes to articles. First, that in German all nouns have articles. Second, all articles are placed before nouns. Third, all nouns are in capital letter, irrespective of whether it's a common noun or proper noun. Now, moving on, bestimmte Artikel im Nominativ. Now, I just told you three kind of articles: definite, indefinite, bestimmter, unbestimmter, and negative article, Negationsartikel. In today's video, we are going to talk about one article, that is definite article, bestimmte Artikel in nominative case. So, we will be doing bestimmte Artikel. So, let's look at some sentences. Das Wetter ist schön. The weather is nice. So, in the first sentence, if you look carefully, wetter is noun, nomen, and it has article das. So, wetter is a noun and this has the article das. Now, the second sentence, die Blumen sind bunt. The flowers are colorful. In the second sentence, the noun is Blumen and the article is die. So, Blumen takes the article die. In the third sentence, der Apfel ist rot. The Apfel ist rot. The apple is red. The noun is Apfel. The article is der. So, this is how it works. And if you could see, all the nouns are in capital letters. irrespective whether it's a proper noun, common noun, and the articles are placed before the noun. As you could see, all the articles are placed before the noun. Alright. Now, bestimmte Artikel in nominative case, fourth sentence, das Kind spielt im Garten. The child is playing in the garden. Now, Kind is here a noun. The article for Kind is das Kind. Das Buch ist interessant. The book is interesting. Here, Buch is a noun and the article is das. The Uhr is teuer. The watch is expensive. Here, Uhr is the noun and the article is die. So, you have to, this is one of the tasks that is a bit challenging when it comes to German language, that you have to remember the article of all the nouns. And you don't need to get overwhelmed, you don't need to get worried, you won't be remembering all the articles of all the nouns, at one go. It will take time, and over the time, with practice, it will come handy. You would definitely remember all the articles of the nouns. Now, moving on. Now we have singular and we have plural in masculine, feminine and neutrum. The article in plural does not depend on the gender. We will see. Now, masculine में there होता है. It takes there. So, man is masculine. So, there, man. Feminine, article die होता है. Frau is feminine. So, die. Neutrum is das. Kind is neutrum, so it takes the article das. Now, this is very simple ki man is masculine, Frau, which means woman, is feminine, kind neutrum. But you will come across lot of words, lot of nouns, which would not make sense to you कि ये masculine में क्यों है, ये feminine में क्यों है, ये neutrum में क्यों है. For example, cafe. Cafe takes the article there, masculine. So it doesn't really have a rule that way कि अब cafe masculine कैसे हो गया. So there is not really a rule to remember कि masculine क्या होगा, feminine क्या होगा, neutrum क्या होगा. The thing is, it's just that you have to remember it by heart, and it will come with practice over time, that it will come handy to you. Now, if we look at the plural, man का plural क्या होगा? Meno. Frau का plural होगा Frauen. Kind का plural होगा Kinder. But plural में it is, the article is always die. Okay, it does not depend on the gender कि masculine है, feminine है, neutrum है. Plural का article will always be die. So please remember this. So again, the same thing, but what I'm trying to show here is when, for example, if you're making notes or even if you're writing somewhere, you don't really need to write DER, there man. You could just use the short form R. For there, for masculine, you could just use the short form R. For feminine, die, you could just use the short form E. And for neutrum, das, you could just use the short form S. So, it will be clear to the other person कि there, the R is for there, masculine, E is for the, feminine, and S is for das, which is neutrum. So I hope this was clear to you, you understood this. Let me know in the comment section below, was it very difficult, was it easy to understand? And we will be doing next kind of article in my next video. You know the drill, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.